Hello and welcome to another edition of Screencasts Online. My name is Rosemary Orchard, and in today's tip share, I'm going to be showing you the changes to Home on iOS 14. Behind the changes to the Home app are a series of changes to HomeKit, which allows us to do things like have adaptive lighting. Now, some of these changes require support from the hardware manufacturers, for example, Philips Hue or IKEA Drahtfree. This means that we're still waiting for things like adaptive lighting to become available, so I can't show you that today, but I am going to show you all of the changes inside of the Home app itself. So here we are in the Home app, and I'm currently looking at my office. Yes, that's where I'm currently sitting. The first thing you'll see is we now have some round, small icons across the top, indicating the status of a few different things. So, for example, here I can see the temperature, and also that motion has been detected. And if I swipe across, then I can also see the light level. Now, if I were to tap and hold on any one of these, I can open this up and see some more information. This shows me that I have an office sensor light level. And spoiler for anybody who's not familiar, this is actually from my Philips Hue motion sensor. And you can see other details as well, such as the battery level, whether or not it's active, as well as that current light level that was displayed before. If I go down into the status section, then I can say whether or not this should be included in the home status. I'll leave this on and show you exactly what that means. So we have the status of an individual room here, and that's my office. If I tap home at the top and then go to Queen Square, that is my home, you can see that I've got more status items as well. I've got, for example, 3 blinds currently open. There's motion specifically in the office, and my security system is off, and the average temperature is 21 degrees. If I were to tap on 21 degrees, then I get an overview of the temperature and, where possible, humidity levels around my house. Now, as I've recently moved, I'm currently in the process of setting things up. So once I'm done, I'm going to have a lot more sensors in here, and this should become even more accurate for me. As well as sensors indicating things like temperature, humidity, and light levels, at the top we also have active devices. So for example, my blinds are considered active because they're open, and if I were to close them, they would be inactive. Just like the PowerPoint that's turned on, that's active. If I tap this, then it will toggle the state. So for example, if I were to tap my blinds, it would close all of them. However, that wouldn't be particularly useful to do right now because then I would be sitting in the dark. And I much prefer to screencast in daylight where possible.
That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.